Good afternoon, Steve from All-Star Case Breaks. We are doing 2 boxes of 2019-20 Prizm Draft Basketball for Anthony. Anthony, put this with your other stuff. Okay. Man, you have the immaculate. Baseball. Good luck, man. Brantley Blue, Gafford Silver, R.J. Barrett, Grant Williams Blue, Zion All-Americans. Oh, okay. Grant Williams Silver, Morant, Hero, Garland, Jalen Hands, Tyler Hero, Hero Blue, Rue. Oh man, those are tough. 19 of 20, Ty Jerome. Congrats. That may be only the first or second one of those we've seen. Sorry, it wasn't a Zion or... Man, good pick on the box. Color Blast. PJ Washington. Those are tough, too.
Nuh-uh. Those are like super tough.
Yeah, those are very, very, that's a tough insert. R.J. Barrett. DeJuan Hernandez.
Is that a blaster?
Yeah, out of a blaster. Yep.
And who is that again? That you got?
PJ Washington.
Wow.
And he got the orange out of 20, which is also obviously very rare.